Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. So, to do it, find the Garmin Connect icon, press and hold on it to open the menu, then tap on the app info, and here select the option called permissions. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are enabled. So we need to enable the call log, phone, and SMS if you want to receive the notifications about the calls and SMSs. So if you want to use those notifications, tap on call logs, allow it, go back, tap on phone, allow it, go back, tap on SMS, allow it, and go back. Also contacts, allow it, and go back. Okay, if you want to receive the notifications about the calendar events, for example, you need to allow the calendar permission. And once you enable or allow the permissions, which is calendar, call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS, you can close this page. And now we need to make sure that the notification access is enabled for the Garmin Connect application. So let's open the settings on our phone. Settings. In settings, tap on apps and notifications, then tap on advanced, scroll down, tap on special app access, and here find the option called notification access. On this page, find the Garmin Connect on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once it says allowed, right here, we can close the settings. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. In the application, we can tap on the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, tap on the Forerunner 55. Here we can tap on sounds and alerts, then tap on smart notifications, and here we can customize the notification settings. Let's tap on general use first, and here we can tap on show, and we can select calls and text only, calls only, or off. If you select calls and texts only, it will only show the notifications about the calls and texts. If you select the calls only, it will only show the notifications about calls, and if you select off, it will disable them. If you select all, you will receive the notifications from the calls, texts, and applications. Okay, next we have privacy option, and here we can select press start and a gesture. Honestly, I'm not sure what it does, but I believe you will need to perform the action to see the notification. So for example, press the start button or gesture use the wrist gesture to display them. And next we have alert, and here we can select tones, vibration, and tones and vibration. If you select tones, you will hear the beep when the notifications arrive. If you select vibration, the watch will vibrate, and if you select both, both things will happen. And if you select none, nothing will happen. Basically, you will only see the pop-up on the screen. Select the one you like this, and then go back to the smart notifications menu, and here we have the during an activity. So basically, if you select the general use, you customize the notification settings for your watch when you're not tracking the activity, so when you're not running, cycling, and stuff like that. And during activity allows you to customize the notification settings for that specific moment when you're tracking your activity, like running and cycling and stuff like that. So tap here, tap on show, select one of the options, alert, select one of the options, and then go back. And at this point, we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Okay. Weird, we should be able to receive the notification. Let me reopen the Discord, close it. Okay, I think I know what's the problem. Okay, let's try now. No. Weird. We can try another thing. We can basically try to install the app that fakes the notifications. So let's open the App Store, type in fake notifications. This one, let's install it. Okay, open it. Let's make the notification. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. So it's working like this. And we can dismiss it or press start/stop to view it. We can also press the down button on our watch, then scroll down through the menu, find the notifications, and then press the start/ to see the list of notifications received rather. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this watch, or rather for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.